Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, been open.
Hey, what's up guys? Magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Joker TV Stream TV. Today, I'd like to share you na yung I started with our new hobby. This came off like yung Christmas party. They started giving me this one. As you can see, these are 164 Hot Wheels. The diorama. So figures that maganda siya, full metal. Hindi siya ganun ka like other like yung mga kotse-kotsehan. This has some quality naman yung niya, yung product. Especially this McLaren F1. So medyo astig yung ribs niya. Simple but yeah, maganda yung ribs. So I started collection nga nito. So dahil binigyan nila ako ng ganitong Christmas gift, ay parang medyo na-addict ako, right? So what happened now is papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili ko for this month na hindi ko ni-expect na dadami, right? So yeah, maganda yung quality niya, maganda nung it's unlike yun may nakikita ako yung mga sila Ino 64, ang ganda ng mga quality nung pagkaka-design ng kanilang Hot Wheels. So let's go ahead and start now guys. I'll be back so I can show you yung collection ko. Now I'm back guys. So usually ito talaga yung trip ko talaga dati na mga like car collections kasi siya bukod sa like good quality and then with the rims as well, ang ganda ng features nito kasi nabubuksan yung mga pinto and then as well as yung hood niya nabubuksan din. Pero since like I collect this, I hardly like really open it outside the box. As you can see, nakasealed pa siya. Tulad nito, like this one. This is like a classic Shelby Cobra 427. So 2-seaters, it's really good with the wheels as well. Similar siya sa, if you know yung I think that's it, Daytona. The only thing about Daytona is like meron silang cover hood with the high spoiler. So this is good. The good thing about this as well, pares silang similar. It's manufactured by Maisto. Baka naman guys. The good thing about this is kinda para siyang similar sa Matchbox. Now open yung hood and then yung kanyang mga door on both side. Ito talaga yung first collection ko ng car, but I'd stop because like most likely kasi mga presyo nito mga nasa like mga pretty much lowest would be like $12 at Walgreens, depende kung saan ka bibili ka, but sometimes meron silang clearance. Like nowadays, I kind of hard, especially going to like Target, wala akong makitang ganito na mga figure unless it's like a little bit smaller than this. May mga nakikita ako na kotseng ganon na it's still also like panabubukas din yung mga door and then yung hood niya. So may nakikita pa rin akong ganon, but I kind of like this type of scale 127 kasi parang medyo talagang feel mo yung realistic ng kotse. Yeah, so yung car vibe niya talagang like you can feel it though. So when I started, yung tropa ko sa trabaho, binigyan nila akong two of this like at first parang medyo kasi hindi naman kasi to like the type of yung katulad nito, nabubuksan yung hood and then like yung sa side. But I do see some people na may mga ganito is like talagang minodify nila, it's customized. Now let's head back to my collection sa Hot. Alright. Alright, so we're back guys. So far ito nga yung first two Hot Wheels ko na collection until nag-grow siya for a couple of days. Like, I can't believe it na ma-addict din ako dito. It seems so nice kasi marami ako nakikitang mga vlogger that they had like bunch of collectors, like a die-hard cast collector. So, may nakita ko may mga Nissan Skyline, but me is like, I'm pretty much like almost all cars, but depende sa brand. But mostly I go with the brand. Unlike yung, I know there's like type of Hot Wheels na parang like just kotse lang, tulad ng for example ito. Katulad nito, yan, yung mga ganyan. Yan, tread shredder. So I don't know kung meron talagang ganito in real life, but I do know na may ganitong klaseng motorcycle in real life, but I don't know kung may ganitong brand. Same goes with this one. So ito is like para siyang like pang car show typically. Case swap, pero hindi ko rin alam kung merong ganyang brand talaga na kotse. But what I do know is like there's some nakatulad nito, mga Ford Performance Super Van, like Dodge Van, like this one Corvette Stingray. I know there's some part like ang gaganda ng quality, Glory Chaser, Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Ito katulad din to, like I don't know kung merong talagang brand, but I know merong Ford van. I'm not just sure kung like it's the same model. And then this earlier afternoon I encountered this one. I'm not sure how rare is this, but they look pretty similar with the same manufacturer, Matchbox. So I gotta have to check it online kung rare to, but it seems it was rare because I'm not sure how to look at it, but like yung niya, meron siya 91 over 100. So I'm not sure kung yan ibig sabihin is like how many yung nagawa nito versus like yung similarity. So, but still, I have really no idea, guys. Just letting you know. Wala akong masyadong idea, but I gotta have to check this online kasi meron siyang the thing about this is that yes, they do look similar, but if you're gonna look dun sa bandang hood, ito may logo samantalang ito wala. So there's something like really valuable in this item. So I gotta have to check this online to see how rare is this car. Now let me show you. I got this one, is McLaren, just like the first one. So I got like duplicates. Sorry about dun sa sa pabango sa kwarto, because I have dogs. And also I have this Acura NSX. Oh my god, this is my favorite car back then kung nasa goma ko. Also we have yung Mazda Miata. I see some collectors are really collecting this like without the hood on top, then which is really sick. It's nice. Well, I do have some of this like hatchback, but they're not all same as MX-5 Miata. But as much as possible, I'll try to find kung may makikita akong ibang may ganitong car pero ibang design. So I want to put it in my future videos, like because I'm thinking to buy yung mga diorama. It really looks nice, just like yung ibang other Tapos I encountered this also this afternoon. Nagpunta ako sa Target, try to see if I can get a Skyline, but I can't. Sadly, I can't find a Skyline today. But may nakita ako mga Ford Mustang GT Camaro. Camaro is this one right here. Yung siya, Bumblebee. And then Ford Mustang GT, I believe it's this one right here. Nagustuhan ko lang kasi dito meron silang mga may mga spoiler, at the same time meron silang mga parang body kit made. Tapos may nakita ko dito, sabi custom Ford 18 Mustang GT. I have a feeling that would be this one, I think, the red one. And then the Ford Mustang GT is this one right here. So ito hindi ko lang sure kung ano to, pero I think that's like a bulletproof something. Yeah, it could be a bulletproof. But Nissan Silvia Mustang GT Camaro, is this one here right here. This is Nissan. And this is Camaro. This is for GT, and then this is, I believe, the customized for GT, the one that they're saying at the back. And I believe the bulletproof would be this one right here. It's not that like an actual brand car, but guess what? It's still Hot Wheels. So I would still add it to my collection anyway. So because since it's still part of 5, but mainly yun lang talaga ang gusto ko, yung apat. Also, I came to encounter this one. Ito yung sinasabi ko like earlier. Yung Matchbox. The one I mentioned that yung unang malaki na 127 scale. Nabubukas yung kanyang hood, but for this type of yung mini vehicle, ang nabubukas lang sa kanya yung door, as you can see in the picture. So ito siya, hatchback. I mean not hatchback. What do you mean, yung open hood siya? So pretty much similar dun sa Mazda Miata natin. Meron tayo niyan, ayan. This is the one that I really like, yung mga open hoods. Mga open pala. So this type of car is a Range Rover Evoque. So it's pretty much yun lang na nabili natin sa Target. Medyo damaged, at I believe someone's just playing this all along when, I don't know. But still, it's a good haul for today. I got this afternoon. And then also this one. This is what makes me really love it. This is the manufacturer here is Java die-cast, full metal. So I see like yung paint niya, it's really para siyang medyo may pagka matte color, parang matte black or something. Hindi siya ganun ka shiny, but the way you look at it with the details, gosh man, it's really good, especially with the hood. This is the one, the type yung similar din siya sa Matchbox, but yeah, it's the only difference is the paint, because this one is like more on like to matte color, unlike this one is like kind of too shiny, like a glossy type paint. But here, what they use here, it's, I don't know, it's really nice on the car. But soon I'm gonna open this. This is a GMC Hummer EV. So yeah, there is a car that exists like this one. So this is a good car collection. And plus meron siyang libreng box, guys. Yan. So in case like we don't want to like use it, you can either, I do recommend it using the what do you call this, the box, where you guys could put the storage for this type of size of car, the 164. Or if you have this one, typically I don't normally for you guys to use this, because sometimes this can be natutupi siya, like especially kapag nag-stock up or something. So yeah, I don't really recommend this one, but as much as possible I would let you guys advise to use those yung talagang lagayan ng Hot Wheels, yung mismong parang case na maraming lagayan. And then one last for this video is we have this 8-pack that I bought with the exclusive car added on for this collection. So ito, hindi mo siya mabibili ng singles basically. So hindi mo siya makikita sa singles unless kung like if you're gonna buy a whole case. Sometimes they add this to the collections. Out of 72, you might probably get a chance of getting one of this or two. But still, itong like the reason why it's separated like this shows that this type of car is exclusive. So you'll only be getting this unless you purchase this type of yung pangwaluhan na kotse, unlike yung bibili ka ng mga singles. Because basically hindi mo talaga siya makikita unless bibili ka ng ganito. Hindi ka makakakuha ng mga ganitong singles. And the good thing about this part is I was able to, the reason why I picked this, because there are some cars that I do really love on this collection. First board is yung Porsche. I really wanted the full line of this, And then of course, meron tayong duplicate. I think I showed this one on the first time of video. Itong black na to. And then also the good thing I like about this one is of course yung itong ating Audi. That's an Audi, open yan, yung top niyan, open top. Same goes para siyang Miata MX-5. And then on this one, meron tayong Pagani. Look at that, man. That was sick. Gold rims, and then the paint. This is the type, like, I think this is like the actual stock for what the Pagani really looks like. And then also we have here is the Porsche. It's really good. It's nice color. I'm not really like a type of I'm not really a fan of white color basically. But the rims is good. Decals is really good. Full metal. Medyo glossy. And then of course, as everybody knows, we like the Lamborghini right here. Astig to. This is the really thing. This is one of also the things that I really never missed a chance to grab this type of Hot Wheels, is because besides meron tayong Audi, we got Lamborghini, Pagani, and Porsche. So basically, ito lang talagang apat na to ang natripan ko. Although this one is also good, but pickup trucks, I'm not really a fan of it. But I really like the lowered custom, as well as with those flame decals. Okay, so that's it for our video. On our next video, I will show you once I get it, yung ating diorama. We're gonna open box and like try to assemble how it goes. And then we will try to park this ating mga kotse sa mga garahe. Alright, thanks for you guys. Thanks for watching and leave a like. So, tada! Ito na yung ating collection ngayon from the two na binigay sa akin ng coworker ko. Ito yung una kong nakuha before yung Christmas party this year. So, I start getting addicted to it. Kasi napakaganda ng... Like, at first, parang di ko siya trip. Kasi most likely, yung trip ko talaga, yung malalaki. Malalaking figures just like this one. Let me show you in the video.